is that? A grasshopper?
No videos of me.
It's not you. It's just him.
What a grasshopper.
That's Pop. First chore of the night, feeding the fish. Go.
Fishy.
Fishy. Whoa, fishy.
What's he doing, Caleb? You feeding the fishies? Caleb, look at Gigi.
Fishy.
Caleb. You feeding fishies? Yeah.
Water. Good.
There. Good job.
In the water. Good.
Nice job.
Eat. More?
2 hands are better than 1. Yeah, when you find catfish up on the edge here. I think that's all.
Woo.
That's it, Caleb. Ooh. Such an efficient team you are.
That's spelled E-F-I-S-H-E-N-T.
Efficient. These are new treats for the horses. You have them? Come on, Grandpa's waiting. Caleb, honey, you need to carry the jar. Carry it up to Grandpa. Say no, Spencer. I know. Come on. We're going. Even Hank came for a visit today. Next. Feed the horses. Grandpa's already in the barn. I'm coming. No fear.
A treat. Want to give him one? Give him one. Say hi, lizard.
What do you see, Caleb? Is that a lizard? Ooh. I've taken his picture. Say smile. Cheese. Cheese, lizard.
Hey, where's the lizard? Where is he?
Buck.
Say hi, lizard.
The buck.
He's nice.
All right, horses fed, water in their buckets. Put the dirt down, Caleb. Thank you. Let's go feed the moose.
Take a picture of this mantis.
Where's the mantis? Did Grandpa have the mantis there?
Where's the mantis?
You fill in the water. Caleb, the cows need more water than that.
Whoa.
Whoa. Oh, you're mean. Turn the water on. Fill it up. Fill it up. The cows say, we want more water. More water. We now have to water the trees, too.
One more.
Uh-oh, follow Grandpa. Have to water it.
This tree. This tree.
Okay, water.
Nah, not over there.
Pour it on the tree, babe.
Over here. No, over there. Good.
Lift it up from the bottom. There you go. Good.
There you go. Good
Phew.
job.
Thank you.
Good job.
You did a good job. Tools? Ooh, yeah. This is your little bit of heaven out here, huh? Watch his face.
Hammer.
Tool. Ooh. Tools. Look at all the tools. Grandpa, stop giving him cutting, pointy things.
Let's go. Whee. Thank you.
What's your puppy's name? What's his name?
Cheese.
His name isn't Cheese. Where's your puppy? What's your puppy's name? Is it Hank? Where is he?
Cheese.
Where is he? Call his name. Call your puppy. Is your puppy Woo Woo? No, your puppy isn't Woo Woo. Who's your puppy? What's your puppy's name? Is it Hank?
Yes.
Yes? Where's Hank? Can you call Hank?
D.
Say Hanky.
Hanky.
Look at me and say it again. Look at Gigi and say Hanky. Oh, Caleb, you're killing me.